Thank you for staying with SABC News. It's time now for Your Money on Market Sense. Employees who are facing financial difficulties due to COVID-19 pandemic can get a payment relief from their pension fund. This means that your pension fund contributions can be suspended for up to 12 months until your work situation is back to normal. The Pension Fund Act also allows employers to stop their workers' contribution if the company is in distress, even if the employees are regularly at work. My colleague Naledi Matlapeng has more.
The Pension Fund Act caters for unforeseeable events such as the current nationwide lockdown. This is to assist both employers and employees who may be experiencing financial difficulties because of lack of income as well as debt obligations. Some employers have had to scale down operations or temporarily shut down due to the lockdown restrictions.
These are difficult times, but there is an opportunity for employees to enter into discussions with their employer to reduce or suspend their contributions to retirement benefits. This may relieve the employee of a level of expense that cannot be afforded as a result of the financial difficulties being experienced.
Employers may choose to suspend pension fund contributions when their employees are temporarily absent from work, but their death and disability benefits will not be affected by their absence, and these would remain unchanged even if their salaries decrease. Risk premiums and administration fees, however, will continue to be payable.
Why is there a need to still collect risk premiums and administration fees? There is a need to ensure that the death and disability benefits are kept in place at this time in case a health issue occurs.
Another option is for employers to amend their workers' pensionable salaries even if the employees are working regularly. This is usually done as a preventative measure in order to stay in business. But there has to be an agreement between the employer and the workers before this is implemented.
Is it legal for employers to still reduce or stop the members' retirement contributions even if workers are not absent from work? Any adjustment in the terms and conditions of employment will need to be subject to agreement between the employer and their staff.
The financial consequences of the lockdown will continue to be felt by many employers and their employees as long as the spread of the coronavirus continues. They are now forced to look at measures aimed at cutting costs, such as amending pension fund contributions to stay afloat and remain sustainable. The lockdown has had severe financial repercussions on the economy at large. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.